Hey everyone, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Paul Vojchehoske and welcome to the Real Estate Classroom YouTube channel. You know, I've been in the real estate education business for over 20 years. In fact, I'm pressing on 25 years now. And I have literally taught tens of thousands of students. I've helped them achieve the goal of obtaining their real estate license. And one of the things over those years is I have seen the successes and the failures of all of those students. What made a student, or what study habits, what content did they study to nail that real estate exam the first time? What didn't they do, where they had to take it 5, 6, 7 times before they passed, or maybe they didn't pass at all? What I decided to do about a year ago is to take all of that knowledge and all of that experience and put it into this YouTube channel. There is a fact, a cold hard fact that you have to be aware of, and I'm sure you already know this, but 50% of all test takers, that's a national figure, 50% of all test takers will fail their exam the first time. It takes, on average, a student 3 tries before they pass their real estate exam. So our goal is, through this channel, to prepare you for your real estate exam so you can pass it the very first time. Now, your study process all starts right here. Number one, if you would please do me a favor. If you get value out of the videos that you're watching, please do me a favor. Give those videos some love by giving it a thumbs up. It does help this channel grow. The second thing you can do is subscribe to this channel. That is very important. And it's very important for you because you may watch 4 or 5 of these videos, and then you might see another video that YouTube recommends to you that interests you. You check that out, and then an hour later, you want to come back to this channel, and you can't remember the name. You can't remember the name of the video. So number 3, and this is very important, use the playlists on this YouTube channel. And here's what I'm talking about. Right now, we are on the Real Estate Classroom's YouTube channel. Now, I'm on the Home tab, as you can see right here. Now, depending on if you're a subscriber or just a visitor, you may or may not see this first page here. If you do, that's great. You can go straight to our Real Estate Exam Prep playlist. The other way to do it is to go to Playlist tab itself. Scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the Real Estate Exam Prep videos. Now, I have divided this playlist into 11 sections or 11 categories. Why 11? Because most of the testing services that provide the real estate licensing exam, the content that you need to know for the exam, it is broken down into 11 categories. That's why I created 11 categories. I have numerous study videos within each category, including real estate math, which is in section 11. That's very important because from an efficiency point of view, if you just come up here to the videos section, well, you're going to see all the videos that I've ever done on this YouTube channel, but it's in chronological order. And so you're going to have to scroll through and find the content that you need. By going to the playlist, you can efficiently study. The other thing, why this is important is for those of you where you're retaking your exam and your particular state only or allows you to, where you only have to retake those portions of the exam that you failed. Not every state is like that, but some are. Then you can narrowly focus your study on the content areas that you need for your retake. And that's why the playlists are so valuable. Number 4, share this channel with others. Share it on your social media. Share it with fellow students that maybe are in your pre-licensing classroom. Let other people know about this channel. Number 5, if you would please, therealestateclassroom.com is a website, my website that I put a lot of time and effort into. It's got more study videos that you're not going to have here. It's got flashcards so you can study vocabulary words, advanced study courses that you can pay for that really dives deep into the content that you need to know for your exam. And then there's access to study groups and forums. It's a great resource. Most of it is free. So there's a lot of great resources there in addition to this YouTube channel. Then we need your feedback. You are the students that are on the front line. You're out there taking the exam. So if there is any content that was on your licensing exam that you didn't see that we had a video for, or there wasn't anything on our website, please, please, please let us know so we can create those materials around that content to help future students be prepared for those questions. If you had a test question that you don't understand and you want an answer to, reach out. You can put those comments in the section or in the comment section of any video. I do check all the comments that are posted. So put it there or drop me an email. My email address is right here. Drop me an email. I'll even call you if you want. Just direct message me and give me your cell phone number. But we would appreciate your feedback. That's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for hanging. I'll see you all in the next video.